Hello. D-iD, short for de-identification, AI generator is a type of artificial intelligence technology that is designed to protect personal privacy by removing or obscuring identifying features from images and videos. Specifically, D-iD AI generator can automatically alter images and videos to make it difficult or impossible for facial recognition algorithms to recognize individuals. The D-iD AI generator works by using a deep learning algorithm to analyze an image or video frame and identify specific facial features, such as eyes, nose, and mouth. It then alters these features using advanced image processing techniques, such as distortion, blurring, or pixelation, to make them unrecognizable to facial recognition systems. The benefits of using D-iD AI generator are numerous. First and foremost, it helps protect individuals' privacy by preventing their faces from being tracked and identified by facial recognition systems, which are becoming increasingly common in public spaces, workplaces, and other environments. This is particularly important for people who may be at risk of being targeted or discriminated against based on their appearance or other personal characteristics. Secondly, D-iD AI generator can be used to protect sensitive or confidential information in images and videos, such as personal identification numbers, addresses, or other personal data. This is especially relevant in fields like healthcare, finance, and law enforcement, where sensitive information must be protected from unauthorized access or use. Lastly, D-iD AI generator can help businesses and organizations comply with privacy regulations, such as the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, which require them to protect personal data and ensure that individuals' privacy rights are respected. Overall, the D-iD AI generator is a powerful tool that can help protect personal privacy, prevent discrimination, and promote ethical and responsible use of facial recognition technology.